What if you could turn your body's 6 to 8 hours of sleep into an active vascular recovery chamber using two basic kitchen ingredients? For decades, clinical data has shown that the biological window right before sleep is when your blood vessels are most receptive to lipid-soluble antioxidants. When you combine extra virgin olive oil with this powerful natural activator, it forces your blood vessels to relax and expand while you sleep. When you lie down to sleep, your heart rate naturally slows down and your resting blood pressure drops. While this is normal for men over 40 with creeping arterial stiffness or endothelial fatigue, this drop in nighttime blood pressure causes microcirculation in the extremities and pelvic tissue to grind to a halt. Without active blood movement overnight, your tissues receive less oxygen, metabolic waste builds up in your vascular lining, and you wake up feeling heavy, sore, and sluggish. The evidence shows that pairing extra virgin olive oil with a specific naturally occurring compound creates a massive synergy that relaxes your blood vessels. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with healthy fats and oleic acid, which protect the inner lining of your blood vessels from oxidative damage. But when you mix olive oil with cayenne pepper, specifically its primary active compound capsaicin, you unlock an entirely new level of circulation support. Capsaicin is a potent natural vasodilator. It stimulates nerve receptors that instantly signal your vascular system to produce nitric oxide, widening your blood vessels and allowing blood to flow without resistance. The olive oil acts as a carrier, neutralizing the harsh burn of capsaicin and allowing your digestive tract to absorb these active compounds slowly throughout the night. To get the full effect without irritating your stomach, precise preparation is critical. Take exactly 1 tablespoon of high-grade extra virgin olive oil and mix in a tiny pinch of pure organic cayenne pepper powder. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the red powder is completely suspended in the oil. Take this mixture right before bed, at least 30 minutes after your last meal. Consuming it at night allows your cardiovascular system to absorb the capsaicin during your rest cycle, maximizing blood vessel dilation by the time you wake up. Before you prepare this nighttime spoon, you must avoid 3 major mistakes that will ruin its medicinal power. First, never use cheap, heavily processed chili powder blends. Most generic chili powders contain added sodium, anti-caking agents, and low-grade spices that lack pure capsaicin and can irritate stomach tissue. You must use 100% pure organic cayenne pepper powder. Second, never use too much cayenne pepper. Taking a full spoonful of cayenne pepper can trigger heartburn or acid reflux, which disrupts sleep quality. You only need a tiny pinch to trigger the vascular response without stomach distress. Third, never heat or cook the mixture. High temperatures destroy the delicate polyphenols in olive oil and degrade the volatile antioxidants in cayenne. Always consume this protocol completely raw at room temperature. Let's look at what happens inside your bloodstream after taking this protocol 30 minutes before bed. Within the first 30 minutes, the fat-soluble capsaicin and oleic acid pass into your stomach and small intestine, gently raising core thermogenesis and initiating a steady release of nitric oxide into your circulation as you fall asleep. Between hours 2 and 6 of sleep, as your heart rate reaches its lowest resting point, the sustained presence of capsaicin prevents peripheral blood vessels from constricting. Blood flows effortlessly to your extremities and pelvic region, delivering vital repair nutrients to tissue walls. By the next morning, you wake up with significantly reduced arterial resistance. You will notice warmer hands and feet, a clear head, and a noticeable surge in baseline physical stamina the moment you step out of bed. Supporting your heart and vascular network does not require complicated routines, just simple, consistent habits grounded in real science. If you want more simple life hacks like this to naturally protect your vascular health, boost your energy, and optimize male vitality, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. How do you usually support your health before bed? And have you ever tried mixing cayenne pepper with olive oil before? Drop your age and your answer in the comments below so we can see who is taking action tonight. Now, If you want to discover more simple kitchen tricks to supercharge your circulation and protect your vitality, head over to the channel right now. We have dozens of powerful breakdowns waiting for you.